Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today's review, it's baby wipes. Let's go over to the bench. Let's talk about why I use baby wipes. Okay, so here's the baby wipes right here. I ran out of my last pack. I go buy a big case at Costco. There's 18 of these packs in here. I'm going to open it up in a minute here. And 1,152 wipes. And I tell you what, if you have a shop, well, you know, these are the best thing because these are mass produced for babies, and I use them continuously. Now, one box like this, a case of 18 will last me about 4 or 5 years. So generally when your hands get dirty, well, I like to use this. And I wipe them off with a paper towel if you like, or shop rag, or whatever you want. But using the baby wipes, big difference, huge, because they are actually moist. They're not dry like a paper towel. Okay, what else I use them for? I use them for when I'm ever doing caulking. If you do caulking, well, you wipe the excess caulk off with your finger, and guess what? Your finger gets all gummed up with caulking. So you know what? Baby wipes. I just used my last one on this right here on my trimmer just to show the direction of the cut, and I just used a baby wipe to wipe that down, and there's no problem. If you got dirty wrenches or your hands are moist or whatever, well, that's what you need. So I've been using these for years and years and years, and they are just awesome to use. A lot of people don't think about using baby wipes because they figure, well, they're only for babies. Absolutely not. Let's open up the case here and let's take a look. Okay, so let's just open them up here. I mean, if you're a landscaper, you're an auto mechanic, doesn't matter what trade you're in, well, I tell you what, I highly recommend these. I mean, you know, you got those days where you're like greasy as an old polecat and you need something to wipe yourself off with. Baby wipes are the way to go. You know, and it's been so hot lately. I mean, you know, if you're really hot and greasy, well, I tell you what, this is the way to go. So we'll just take one out here, and I'll just show you what they look like. And, you know, grabbing a paper towel or grabbing a shop rag or something just doesn't cut it. No, they all come pre-sealed. Like, I bring these up to my camp, and I'll bring, like, say, 6 up. Last me 2 years. And they're all sealed. So, I mean, they stay moist in there. And all you have to do is just break the seal and just open them up. And you just grab one. Let's just grab one here, and I'll just show you. I mean, they're nice enough, big enough, so that they will actually, you can take this, here's my hand, you can wash your whole face with one of these, rather than just an ordinary paper towel or something. I mean, if you've been doing a lot of trimming, you know, and brush cutting or operating a chainsaw or anything like that, and you want to just wipe your hands up or, you know, wipe your face or, you know, wipe the toolbox down or anything, it closes up, and these do not dry out. And I mean, there is a lot in here. Now, of course, they say not flushable, and that's because you're not going to use them to put down the toilet, hopefully, but they are not flushable. And these are awesome to have around your shop. So, what do you think? So leave me a comment down below if you use these. Not this particular brand. There's all kinds of generic, you know, baby wipes. I'm not promoting any brand myself, but this is just the one that I can pick up at Costco, and I find they're relatively cheap. So, I mean, I think that they're the way to go. Let me know if you use these yourselves. Because I'll tell you something, when I'm out there and I'm using my chainsaw or my brush cutter or just trimming grass or anything, you know, you get a lot of stuff thrown back up at you, and these work fantastic. I leave these in my truck. I leave them pretty much everywhere around my shop, up my place, my off-grid place in Northern Ontario. I got them all over the place, and you know what? They work. A lot of people say, oh, I don't want to use baby wipes. Well, you know what? They're about as safe to use on your skin as you could possibly think, right? Rather than some people wash themselves off with gasoline and thinners and everything else. go for the baby wipes. Thanks for joining me here today. Come back again. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe and see some interesting reviews of products just like this you may not see somewhere else. Cheers.